Hello everyone, welcome to Kairos Moment. So right now, we're here in Olongapo. So kumusta po ang lahat? The Lord is so good in our lives. Sa bawat moment, mabuti ang Diyos dahil may tapat at mabuting Diyos. Sa ating pamilya, sa ating buhay, even sa businesses, even sa trabaho, laging alalahanin mabuti ang Diyos. Whatever season ng ating buhay, mabuti ang Diyos. So anyway, in this episode, let's talk about success without arrogance. Pwede naman ang isang tao maging super successful in life, maraming achievements without arrogance. Because may mga tao na because sa maraming napagtagumpayan sa buhay, maraming napatunayan, so hindi na mamalaya natin, nagiging arrogante na pala tayo. Now let me share this testimony that even I personally had experienced this. Hindi ko na mamalayan because of a lot of projects na-accomplish. And feeling ko achievement na yon, napakarami ng achievement at napakarami ng obstacles or challenges in our lives na napagtagumpayan. So feeling ko, ay ang galing-galing. And of course, I was thinking because I glorify God with my lips, I glorify Him with my heart, I keep on, sharing a testimony about Him. But because sa mga past achievements, di ko na malayan, tinutubuan na pala ako ng pride. And salamat for the loving rebuke of God, for His correction sa akin. Nabel, in this area, medyo nagiging arrogante ka na. Akala ko, Lord, ikaw ang nangunguna sa aking buhay because, Lord, I keep on glorifying your name. And the Lord reminded me, look at this area or part of your life na, yes, I was declaring that He is good, I keep on glorifying Him, pero hindi ko namamalayan, pinapangunahan ko na pala siya. I was thinking siya pa ang naglilid sa akin. I was thinking siya ang nangunguna sa akin. But because yung aking faith, because of a lot of encounter with Him, so ang faith ko noon, tumataas ng tumataas ng tumataas. That's why I encourage people to dream big because you have a big God, but we should be rooted, grounded in the love of God, in alignment sa Kanya. Mangarap ka ng mataas, pero hindi ka pwedeng ma-detach sa Panginoon. Kailangan naka-align ka sa plano niya para sa buhay mo. Dahil kung hindi, unti-unti, hindi na mamalayan, tutubuan tayo ng pride at magiging arrogante tayo. So, pwede kang, of course, matuwa. Pwede kang laging always grateful for your achievements, but remember Deuteronomy 8:18, remember the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth. Success is a blessing from God, but success should never lead us to arrogance. The more God elevates us, the more humble we should become, because true success is not measured only by achievements, wealth, or position, but by the character we maintain while enjoying God's blessing. So lahat ng meron tayo ay galing sa Panginoon. Maging successful ka. Enjoy your achievements. Enjoy lahat ng challenges na napagtagumpayan mo. Pero wag mong isipin na dahil ikaw ang magaling lang, dahil sa gawa mo lang, dahil sa mga strategy mo lang, dahil sa planning mo lang, wag mong kakalimutan na may Diyos na nag-guide sa'yo. May Diyos na nagmahal sa'yo. May Diyos na nag-provide sa iyo. And with that, lagi tayong lahat magiging humble enough sa paanan ng Panginoon, even sa ibang tao, humble but with boldness, declaring the goodness and faithfulness of God in our lives, na it's all by the grace of God. Thus we are, and thus we will all return. So sa lahat, dahil may tapat na Diyos, dahil may mabuting Diyos. So yan yung lagi natin ilagay sa ating puso. So thank you, and God bless. To God be all the glory.